May I come in, sir?
Yes, please do.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
You're Mr. Shubhank Mishra. So, Mr. Mishra, you are basically from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, sir.
I can also see that you have done your graduation in which subject?
Sir, computer science and engineering.
Computer science and engineering from IIIT Hyderabad. That was in year
2013.
2013. What are you doing since 2013?
Sir, I worked for more than 3 years. 1 year in Citibank and more than 2 years in Bangalore in Amazon.
Okay.
And sir, after that, I have decided that I wanted to take civil services examination. So I resigned from my job around August 2016. And after that, I started preparing for civil services examination. And sir, in my first attempt for this examination, I have qualified for the Indian Revenue Service. But sir, I have taken leave and prepared again and qualified for Indian Police Service. And sir, I'm currently an IPS and I want to become IAS officer. So sir,
you're already IPS. You're selected as IPS. You were Revenue Service Officer and you're still Revenue Service Officer. You have joined IPS.
Sir, I have given technical resignation from IRS and I'm formally joined IPS, but I have not gone for the training. I have taken leave for appear again.
Okay. Well, considering that you are a IIIT graduate and you have already taken these examinations, I hope you realize that it is not the place you should have been. IIIT graduates are supposed to be with doing coding or correcting coding. You were doing it finely. If I look at the salaries you were drawing more salary in your first job than you will be joining after become IAS officer, maybe even 4 years down the line. You're getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So money is one front, and even otherwise, do you realize that probably IIIT background and the work you were doing was better, or you believe that no, current work is going to be more satisfying?
Sir, the job I was doing was very satisfying and it has given me an opportunity to grow myself. But sir, at the same time, we need to think about our future as well. So sir, when I imagine myself 10 to 15 years down the line, I wanted to work for the job in which I can derive my satisfaction from the job. I wanted a more challenging and diverse job and wanted to make an impact directly in the life of the people. And those avenues were relatively very constrained in my previous job. So sir, I decided that money will not be the factor for me because sir, I have earned enough at that point of time, and sir, my monetary hunger was quite a bit satisfied. So sir, that is why I plunged into this.